Welcome to another episode of my video. Today we'll be unboxing the GeoFlex touchscreen laptop. One of the main reasons why I bought this laptop was because it was compact and mainly it's a touchscreen laptop. Okay, let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Yeah, here you go. So that's the box. Okay, so first of all, you get a laptop. I'll put that right here. You get a quick start guide and you get a charger. Okay, I'll put this box to one side for now. Let's talk a little bit about the specification. On the box, it tells you a little bit about the specification. This is the 11.6 display screen. It's got Intel Celeron dual core, camera 0.3 megapixel, 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig eMMC storage, 4000 mAh battery life. It's got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, micro SD slot, micro HDMI, and a USB ×2, so two USB slots. So here you go. You got a charger, you get a quick start guide, and you get a laptop. Okay, let's have a look at the laptop and let's see what it looks like. Okay, first judgment. This really looks good. I like the build quality. Let's open it. It really does look the part. The screen is big enough for what I need it for. One of the main reasons, as I explained to you earlier on, is because I need a laptop, compact laptop I'm able to put into my bag and go about my business. When I'm outside as well, I need a laptop that connects to the internet and I'm able to use my touch screen to just move things about. So I'm giving this laptop a thumbs up. I really do like the build quality. It does look the part. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. I'll show you again. Yeah, here you go. And the slots, you got the HDMI slot, you got a USB slot, you got another USB slot over here. You got the micro SD slot, SD slot, sorry. And you've got the DC in, and I believe this is your 3.5mm jack. The other specification for this laptop is you got Bluetooth, you got Wi-Fi, which is basically one of the things I need it for. One thing to do note is this laptop comes shipped in Windows 10 S mode. You might be wondering, what is Windows 10 S mode? So Windows 10 S mode is a version of Windows 10. It's still Windows 10, but they call it Windows 10 in S mode. In short, it's basically a streamlined for security and performance of this laptop. While you're still experiencing the same Windows experience on this laptop, while it's in S mode, you're only gonna be able to use apps from the Microsoft Store. You can only use Microsoft Edge for browsing. I have sort of Googled it. Some people say you can come out of the S mode. For these laptops and their specification, especially with their processor, with the performance, this is the Intel Celeron dual core, and it's a 1.1 gigahertz and 4 megabytes cache. With this kind of laptop, I wouldn't recommend coming out of the S mode. One of the main reasons for the S mode is to streamline security and also performance. Okay, that's enough of S mode. If you need to know more, Google it. You'll find more information about Windows 10 in S mode. Lastly, I'm pretty happy with this laptop. It looks really well built, and yeah, I hope it functions exactly as it looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on another episode of my video.